This is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check Instagram login devices. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. You may want to know how to check Instagram login devices because you are suspicious of somebody else misusing your account. It is quite easy as it is an inbuilt feature in the app that helps to track Instagram login devices. This should be done to keep your profile safe and avoid misuses. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account Center. Tap on Password and Security. You can see there is an option on Security Checks where you can review security issues by running check across app, devices, and email sent. You can tap on Where you log in. Now you can see you can choose your account. Here's my Instagram account that I want to check the device. You can tap on that. And you can see that my account login activity in this. And my account currently logged on this device. You can also see the place, city. You can also remove, if you don't know the device, you can remove the device to log out from your Instagram account. You can also check your Facebook account. I will remove one of these. You can see the place and the device type. You can tap on log out if you don't know the device. No, it's been removed. So that is how to check login devices on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!